Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel M Guru, and my name is Mahesh Kumar, Senior IIT Maths Lecturer. Today we are going to see another example of locus, right? So the question is: find equation of locus which is equidistant from 3 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 3. The question is to find equation of locus which is equidistant from 3 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 3 as previous problem. First, let us take the geometrical figure, right? So the question is to find locus which is equidistant from these 2 points. Let us take 2 points. One is 3 comma 4, other one is minus 4 comma 3. Join the line segment, right? The question is to find the equidistant point. How many equidistant points are there? There are so many points which are equidistant from this 3 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 3. If suppose if we join all these points, we are getting a straight line, right? So what is answer? The answer is straight line. So the equation having equidistant from 2 given points is what? 2 given points is straight line. So now the answer we are going to get is straight line. But out of these many points, as the previous problem I said, take one of the point as something x comma y. Take one of the point as x comma y. So let us take out of these many points, one point is something x comma y. So these distances are given equal in the question. So we are trying to find the equation. So to get the equation, we have seen here the equation we are getting is straight line. To find this equation, one of the point we assume as p x comma y. So let p x comma y belongs to locus. So first we need to take the point because we don't know this point. So out of these many points, one of the point we assumed as x comma y. Then write the geometrical condition. What is given? The distance is equal. Which distance? So this distance is equal. If take these distances are equal, these distances are equal. Now the distance is equal is said. So because distance is equal, write the geometrical condition. So geometrical condition is what is that? P, name it as something A, name it as something B. PA is equals to PB. Here geometrical condition is given. PA is equals to PB. Same as PA and PB. What is PA and PB means? PA nothing but distance, PB nothing but distance. Take distance formula as we have discussed in the previous problem. So distance between 2 points is what? AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again use the same formula to find the equation. So PA, first let us take PA points. What is P? P is x comma y. A is 3 comma 4 and PB, what is P? X comma y and B is minus 4 comma 3. So name them as something x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So name it as x1 y1, x2 y2. name it as x1 y1, x2 y2. Now replace in the formula and expand. So which implies PA first. What is PA? These 2 points are PA. So PA nothing but x2 minus x1, nothing but x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square within under root is equals to under root of same thing PB x2 minus x1, x2 minus of minus becomes plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Again we have square root on both sides, so simply square on both sides to eliminate square root. So the square root is eliminated. What is remaining? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. These are in the form of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. I think already you know the formulas of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Let us write down the formulas once. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again using these formulas we are going to simplify it. So if we simplify this, what do you get? X minus 3 whole square is x square plus minus 2ab, 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square is 9, and this is y square minus 4 2s are 8y plus 4 square is 16. Right side x square plus 4 2s are 8x plus 4 square 16, and here y square minus 6y plus 9. Now if you see here, both sides we have some common terms, so you can cancel that common terms x square as well as y square and write the remaining terms. What are the remaining terms? The remaining terms are minus 6x minus 8y, 9 plus 16 is 25 is equals to 8x minus 6y, 16 plus 9 is 25. Again both side if you observe, 25 is common, you can cancel that 25 and remaining terms 8x and minus 6x. Send these two terms right side, so that what do you get? 8x minus 6y plus 6x plus 8y equals to 0. So which implies 8 plus 4, 6 is 14 minus 6 plus 8 is 2y equals to 0. If you cancel in 2 table, 2 7s are and 2 1s are equals to 0. So 7x plus y is the required locus equation. So the straight line is 7x plus y equals to 0. The same problem if you want to do in a shortcut using JE method, what do that? So already you have known that here the point which is equidistance from 2 points is straight line. That is clear, and to get that equation of straight line, so directly we can use the formula 2 into x1 minus x2 into x plus 2 into y1 minus y2y is equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square, right? So this is for the purpose of JEE. If the equation, we need to find the equation of locus which is having equidistance from 2 given points, then that is straight line. Already we have discussed here. What is that equation of straight line? 2 into x1 minus x2 into x plus 2 into y1 minus y2 into y is equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square plus y2 square. Let us simplify and check the same answer, right? So 2 into x1 minus x2. What is x1 minus x2? So these are the points now, x1 y1 and x2 y2. Take somewhere here a 3 comma 4, b minus 4 comma 3. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x1 minus x2, 3 minus of minus plus 4 into x plus 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is 4 minus 3 into y is equals to x1 square plus y1 square, that is 3 square plus 4 square, x2 square plus y2 square minus 4 square plus 3 square, which implies 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 2 is 14x, 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 is 2y, is equals to 3 square is 9 plus 16 minus 4 square is 16 plus 9. This gets cancelled. Again, if we cancel in 2 table, what do you get? 7x plus y equal to 0 is the required equation of locus. So this is the purpose of IPE. In IPE, this is the procedure to find the equation of locus when he has given equidistance from 2 points. The same problem when it comes under JEE, directly using this formula, you can say the answer is 7x plus y equal to 0.